guys, welcome back to part 2 of Elimination Tower. So if you haven't watched the first video, watch it because it's really fun. Okay, I'm just gonna hello people. Hey, you go before me.
So, you guys should
Okay,
comment down below what videos,
we
what games to play because we don't know.
we don't know what you guys like, so
Yeah. So,
okay. So first comment will be the game we play, unless no one comments. Then we'll choose the game. Come on. I hope everybody falls and I win. Yay, I don't want to win because I just decided that I don't want to win because you beat it?
yeah, I'm just at the door right here.
Oh. Oh, there's a door right there. You
Yeah.
go through. It's like Tower Fell kind of. It's like glowing white.
I was at the door after she won. I lost my job at the bank. The woman asked me to check her balance.
So I pushed her over.
Freaking
Me!
me.
Uh, meh, meh, meh. Me. No, why did you pick me? You're mean. I don't like.
Don't say that.
You're mean.
Listen.
Okay,
Okay, did you
Rooms in a race, it ended in a tie.
How will go after? Who will go after? Okay, I can't read this.
I hope Bruno boy gets out because he's the best out of all of them. Bruno.
Okay, I can read. Never. Okay. The coaster. The player with the most wrong is eliminated. I'm gonna say master.
Ow.
What are you doing? Like, why is it?
Okay. Oh, this one's boring. They actually have their own screen. They see. They don't even see us. They're just like counting how many things there are. I've done this one before.
Never done it. We're just spamming.
Hi, Wolf. Nice sword you got. What is this? Oh,
Okay. Oh wow, that's
Ah.
a baby sword. Okay, come on. No one was doing it.
You're short. While we're waiting, basically how to get emojis on computer is click this, hold the Windows button down, and then click period, and then this thing comes up, and you can be like, yeah.
Yeet. Oh, master.
I keep doing heart ones. Just hashtag them out. How dare you? There we go. Now it works. Local man killed by falling piano. It would be a very low-key funeral. What the heck? That's a bad joke. I hope it's the Easter one. Wait, is that one even still in? Aw, Easter. Oh noes. Oh noes. I've never fell here. Knock on Stella. I haven't even knocked on you yet. Hey, blue gives you 3, red gives you 1. Really bad. Green gives you 5, I think. Maybe 10. I don't really know. Let's go. Green and I don't know who got it. Oh, green gives you 5. I said I don't know. Oh, I got it. I got it. Get the most. Oh my gosh. Did you see me? I think yellow's like, oh! I don't know. You got last. You got last place. How big? Wait. 21. Dun, 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 dun. Who wants to be picked?
Not me.
Yeah, I feel bad for him.
I'm just gonna go.
Who? Oh yeah, this person or
No, not take
that person? This person? Okay, who has the most?
Whoa.
Me. So Haley Donut. I also could have picked Master Crusher, but I feel bad for him.
Whoa.
You're welcome. He just like thank you someone. I was gonna share a vegetable joke, but it's corny. Huh? I was gonna share a meat joke, but it was fishy. That's oh, I know this one. You just have to spin the wheel. No, it's actually kind of hard. I've done it once and I've beaten it. No, she's the best player. Yeah, you want her? We want her to lose. Thick. Okay. Elmo's winning right now. Yeah, that monkey's probably gonna lose. Why do you want her to win? Yeah, look. Come on, monkey, monkey, monkey. No. Elmo wins. Okay, he won. Okay, that person lost. It was really close though.
Yeah, it was almost. So after the next part is coming up.
Um,
My
what?
wobble. Oh no! I hate this one.
Hey guys,
Tower from last
last time I did this, I got 3. No, sorry. Okay, no. Okay. My gosh, my thing is so wobbly. Why is it wobbling? Especially in Tower Fall.
No.
Look, I can't even. Someone else is. No. My gosh, I don't like Chili. She's so annoying. She's annoying, not good. Okay, we're gonna make part 3 right now.